Surprise! Happy
Happy 40th
birthday!
birthday!
40th birthday.
Timavik, again, happy birthday. We love you. We hope we'll pray for your continued recovery. Um, and hopefully we'll see you in a year or two. Okay?
Regards to everyone. God bless.
Bye.
Hi, Te, si Emon. Just wanna wish you a very happy birthday. Special day ngayon. Special mention din kay Tita Vicky kasi naghirap din siya sa day ngayon. But anyways, I know what you're going through right now. Mahirap pero you're so strong, nalalagpasan mo. And I'm so proud of you, Te. Alam kong inspiration ka sa husband mo, sa iyong daughter, and especially for me personally. Basta so proud of you. Hang in there. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Nandito kami lahat with you. Basta enjoy your day. Special day to. Sana mag-enjoy ka, Te. Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Mavic, happy birthday.
Hello, Ninang. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Mavic. Happy birthday.
Well, enjoy your day and hi to everyone.
Happy birthday, Mavic!
Take care.
We're all thinking of you.
We're all thinking of you.
Shug.
Okay.
Hi, Tita Mavic. Happy birthday. We love you. And miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, Mabik. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and a speedy recovery. We love you.
Hi Mavic, happy 40th birthday. Just to let you know that we're happy for you. We've never stopped praying for your complete recovery and we'll continue to do so. And I love you and we'll see you soon. Okay? Take care.
Hi, Mavic.
Hi, Mavic.
We just wanted to greet you
Happy birthday.
happy birthday, Vic Vic. We love you from me, Brandon, and the cats, Mikey and Moki.
Yeah.
And
We're thinking of you, and we wish that we wish that we were there, and we're looking forward to the next time we're able to see you.
and be strong.
Yeah.
Love you, Vic Vic.
Hi, Mavic. Happy birthday. Well, wish ko lang sa iyo sa araw na ito na sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kaarawan na darating at sana tuluyan ng gumaling ang iyong karamdaman. Lakasan mo lang ang loob mo at isipin mong nandito kami para sa iyo. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Kahit malayo kami, eh, palagi ka naming nasa sa isip. At isa pa, isipin mo na malakas ka sa itaas, kaya lahat ng iyong mga kahilingan ay kanyang pakikinggan. So, lakas ng loob lang ang kailangan. Happy birthday! And kami ni Daddy ay talagang so proud to be your parents.
Okay. Mommy, I'm doing like this because I'm waiting for Mommy to finish. Look, I have a lot to read about my greetings to you. It's very long. So I'll just make it short. Happy birthday on your 40th. They say life begins at 40. So you are just born.